Welcome back to Yaya's YouTube channel. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
So right now we're gonna do a little science experiment. It's usually for kids, so if you want to try this, it's super simple. You just need like Coca-Cola and you need some Mentos gum. And so we're gonna try this and we're gonna see if it works.
Yes!
Okay, so we're gonna roll some paper up to make a tube to go into the Coke. And then so that the gum can go like a lot of it down. Yeah, okay.
Yes!
Okay, hold this.
Oh, it'll be fun.
Okay, so I'm gonna roll the paper first, okay?
Yes!
Mhm.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna roll the paper first.
It's going to be up and then it's going to be down.
Into like a tube like this size. There should
Yeah.
be like
Yes.
around the same size of that
Yeah.
works.
Yeah,
And
that
then
works.
I'm gonna
We're gonna
hold
put
it
this.
down.
Yes! Oh, that's
I don't know how many I need, but I'm just gonna do a lot. So.
one.
Actually, it's full, so I think that's enough. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes!
Oh. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so basically, I don't actually know the science behind this, but we're gonna like Google it after. Stop. Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yes!
Wait, I'm scared.
I'm
Okay.
scared too.
It's not gonna be loud, don't worry.
This is R. I think it's not gonna be louder.
Okay, 3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Ah! Wait.
Wait.
Let's see.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
That was so cool!
So, be sure to know that you're gonna need to do laundry and clean up after this.
Yeah!
But it did work. Was that cool?
Yeah.
That was really cool.
Yeah.
But okay.
You're so wet,
Google
Auntie.
how that happened?
Yeah.
What's the science behind that?
That was so fun to do this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We want to do that again.
Again?
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna work again. I don't think we have enough. Don't eat it. Give it to me.
Wow, that was so
I think it only works once.
No more.
It only works one time, guys.
Yeah. Yes, that was so fun. Yes. He spilled all. It was so fun, guys. This was so fun, Coca-Cola.
You guys would get it because it has to do with carbon dioxide, but
Yeah.
that was really interesting. So if you guys want to try this out at home, yeah, try it out. It's super fun, super easy, and your kids are gonna love it.
Yes!
I think that's it.
Yes.
So thank you guys for watching, and like, subscribe, and please
Comment down and send if they're ever around the road.
If you are new, please subscribe our channel, share, like, and comment.
Yeah.
We will send you a
Whatever
gift
she
wherever
said.
you are around the
Bye.
world.
Thank you
Thank
for
you so
watching.
much.